Okay, well, I was a naughty boy there, I get cut off there. Ken how? My storage space, I've too much, and my phones will run out of space. Too much camera, too much the camera. Anyway, we'll go back to the Wiglet, the continuity, right? Right, so there we go. So we're there with that, and we'll put the glue in it, and that's it. And don't worry about the glue running up and down, because it does no harm, let me assure you, there's no harm whatsoever. It wipes all the better too much than no enough. Right, and then you just put them in, right? Now, see, the right pine gates, I work with two of these pair things. Because of this here, I just work with one, but these are 14 mil, it's quite sufficient, and you'll see part 2 tomorrow. And then all I do is this here, a wee bit glue there, a wee bit glue there. See that coming out there? Do you see that there? I glued them. Do you see what I'm saying? You've got to hoover them. I'm needing a better hoover. I keep telling you that, but nobody listens. Okay? I've tried all the different hoovers. And I've tried them all. Right there, a wee bit glue there. Don't be greedy. I wonder if this would go in a big ship in the Yarra. Mr. Master Carpenter, eh? Oh, no. Right, so there you go, that's it done there, right? So that's the bottom. That's the big bottom, right? The reason you can is with your pen, that's the forend, right? Okay, so you lay that there. Then you've that there, right? And the pen mat you know there. That's your top, right? So there you go, you put it in like that. Just like that there. And that goes in. Then that goes in. Hi, hello! I had the list of suit then. And then there you go. And the noisy day is, there's noisy day is, that's here right now. That is in. A wee tickle. Now, if I'm going right, oh, there you go, look, you see how you miss things? Look, there's no glue there. Now look at that. This is how it's better that way there. How's that? See if that was a chip shop, they'd be both, look at that, whee! Up you go. They bother a totty mate. The noisy day is that there. Turn them off. Right. As I've told you before, it's second to none, right? You get a parker, put the parker there, put it in there like that, just like that there, right? That's your parker. Parker in the middle. And a parker there to bring it up to the level with the clams, right? And then you just go like that there. That's it, right? Now, what do I do now? There you can your square. These magic clamps, right? The wee bits of it, you get your spacer there. Just something through there to hold it. Hold on, there we go. I've got the very thing there, I see it there. That'll do anything it does, just hold it through it. Right? There you go. Put two of them in there, wee scrap bits of wood you keep there. I always keep them handy. Put that there like that. Then tighten it up. Don't tighten it fully. Just tickle it. Then get your other again. Then get your bits of wood in case you need them there again. And there's your thing there. As you see then, you'll focus see this and that. That's the way I do them. And well, it's done so far. Right. Out the road, my rad gun. Right. Then you do the same here. So your wee thing there. Right. Put that there this time. Put there. And you put in for that. Right. Because these are made, right, so there you go. Right, so that's you there, right? Now, then you tighten this in, and that's it, tightening. Hear it tightening, go, and this is when you see, right, now, you can in here, you'll see square, right? That's it, square, right? Okay. Now, okay. Now what you do, like that's a square, put it on, spot on, spot on, spot on, right? Come here, spot on, right? Okay, so you know it's spot on, you know it's spot on. You know a wee time to put it in. See how the glue's coming out, that's a good sign. Now, see that middle one, how it's not coming out right. So what you do, you go into another clamp. What do you do? You get another clamp up here. Just get your reasons, this is just the same. You get another clamp just to make sure you're happy. The trick is never to cheat. You do it correctly. Right, get that there, on the line there, how you should there. You see that there? There could be a wee bend in the weather something, this is actually sorting it, right? So there you go, right? Then just that there, pull that there like that, that'll hold it. And then yet again, just a wee tight and hold that. There you go. Now come here and watch this. See it coming in? See it coming in now. See the line there? That's you. Can't go wrong. That's it all tight. Now, we'll also, believe it or not, what I do now next is this. Right, is my corrugated fastener. Right. Plug my ear line in. When I set up, he's a 4-inch, it's not what we're out. I should have been just went like that. Poof, look at that wriggling there, like big snake, eh? Simon the snake, eh? Right, this is the corrugated fastener going. We also do this.